Hey guys, this is slide number 4 or problem number 3 from your Desmos. This first problem here is in point slope form for a linear function. Now this one acts a lot like vertex form of a quadratic, where this information right here tells us a coordinate point. So the stuff inside is going to be opposite, just like it is for vertex form. So instead of -4, we're going to put positive. And then this here is our y value 1. So this is a coordinate point on the line. This last number in the equation, this front one, this represents our slope. So we have a slope of 1, which as a rise over run is 1 over 1. I always start with my coordinate point, so I'm going to go to 4, 1. And then I'm going to rise 1 and go over 1 over and over so we can get that straight line. If you want to and you're not comfortable with this form, you can also just convert it by distributing and getting y by itself. That will put it in slope-intercept form for you one we're a little bit more comfortable with. So there's our linear. This quadratic is in factored form. So if you recall in factored form, when it looks like this, what we can do is set both of these parentheses equal to 0 to find our x-intercepts. So we get x equals 3, x equals 5. These are my x-intercepts. So I can go ahead and plot these 3 and 5. And then if you recall the average of these, so adding them together and dividing by 2, 3 plus 5 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. This tells me my axis of symmetry. So the last thing we can do is we can plug in this 4 into the original equation to find the coordinate points. So 4 minus 3, 4 minus 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 5 is -1, and then we multiply these two numbers. 1 times -1 is -1. So that's the point 4, -1, so I can go ahead and plot that. If we want to find another point, we can find one just to the other side of these, so I could go ahead and plug in 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So this is the point 6, 3. And I can do that on both sides. So we can go ahead and draw our quadratic. And then if you notice, it has crossed through this point here, which is the point 3, 0, and it has crossed through the point 1, 3.